Welcome back to another Long Wolf2 video, and today we're doing a tutorial in modding Xenoverse. Sometimes when you update your patcher or anything like that, when the game updates and there's new DLCs, but then you have this problem to where when you get the DLC clothing or anything like that, it doesn't show the textures, as you can see. It's just a bare chest, and for any of these. It's all the same. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that if you don't want to delete or reset your whole data folder. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first things you're going to want to do is to go to this link, which I'll have in the description, and then you see where it says cpkpack.exe. This is what there's other tools that you can use, but I like to use this one personally. It's my favorite. And then you download. But since I already have it downloaded, I don't need to right now. Alright, once you download it, you can put it anywhere you want. I suggest to put it on your desktop. And then you go to your Xenoverse directory, which you can do as such by going into your Xenoverse 2 properties, local files, browse local files, go to CPK, and then you see where it says data2.cpk, the 2 GB one. You drag over the CPK pack application, and you see where it says open with CPK pack, and it may take like 5 to 10 minutes depending on how fast your CPU is and other factors like that. But since I already did that and I don't want to do the wait again, it should show up a folder in the same CPK file, data2. Open that up, open data, go to character, scroll down to whatever CAC you're having a problem with. If you just updated this patcher for the new update for Xenoverse, then I suggest you do like all the CACs such as freeze and force and all that stuff. But Saiyans, you don't have to. The Saiyans are the same thing as human. So what you do is you go to human.bcs or hum.bcs or whatever you want to call it. Copy. Go to your modded data folder, character, scroll down to the same CAC folder as you copied, and then paste and replace. But keep in mind, when you do this, you'll have to reinstall some of your mods that has to do with your CAC costume or anything like that, such as transformations or anything. Alright, let's see if that fixed anything. And as you can see, everything is back to normal. Or as if you updated it in vanilla. And you don't have to delete any other mods, but you just have to reinstall some of your costume mods, such as I do, because if I had some accessory mods, and now they don't show. You have to reinstall those. But the DLC accessories will come back. Hopefully this tutorial helps you. There's literally, when I try to search a tutorial like this, there's no tutorial online for this. So I hope this 20-minute video helped you guys. I think it's 20 minutes, I'm not entirely sure, maybe it's like 10 minutes. Alright, and then I'll see you in the next video, which should be coming soon. I've been really busy lately. So yeah, I'm actually going to make another episode of Xenoverse with my new mods. I actually got tons of new mods, and fixed all the hair problems that I had before. Alright, see you then.